today's travel blog. I've come to the Spitfire Retail Park in Trowbridge and I'm going to have a look around here. It's a standalone area with various big brands such as Currys, B&M, Knees and Matalan. So we're going to go and have a look around and have a look at access as well, because there's one important point now I want to highlight. So let's get going. Here we go. So all the usual, we have TK Maxx, Pets at Home. It's all pretty good. Lots of parking and plenty of drop curbs. There are disabled bays spotted around. So we have one there. There's also one down, a couple down here outside Knees. So there's three there. There's a car in the bay without a badge. And Knees. And then over the road we have McDonald's. So fast food places. And there is children can't get around there. There's those stupid ramp things. So there's a couple of bays here. 1, 2, and then child and parking, child and parent and child thing. So that's basically this area. Now, taking my life in my hands, I'm gonna try and cross over. Trying to cross over on the crossing, but wasn't possible. There's one bay over there and then one bay where I'm parked. Okay, so this is now then, it's like a chicane, and then you have this problem where they come really close to the edge. There's plenty of parking, but it's just the disabled bays are spread out. I suppose in one way that's good. Now, this is my point. Going from this area over here to this area over here, and you can see that there is 0 drop curb. Now, unless I'm mistaken, this is actually no good either. I can't use that, because that is a little lip. So basically what I've got to do, if I want to go over there, unless I'm in a car, I have to come all the way back oh, well, that's a good point. I can't even do that because there is no way off the pavement. So what you got to do is go all the way back where we just come from. I mean, how much is a drop curb? I looked it up on the internet. even if they pay full price. There was one on there for 900 quid. I mean, you know, they can obviously get it cheaper than that. So we've got to come back here. Oh, and we've broken down, that's good. Well, we had to have one breakdown per video. So what we need to do is we have to go all the way down here, avoid the bumps, the speed bumps. Now, this is the main road, okay? So we have traffic coming both ways. Now we have to pretend to be a car. There's a roundabout. Now we got cars coming from all directions. So there's the path that I was on just now. Now I need to go across. And then I have to negotiate the traffic and this speed bump here. So, speed bump, I'm in the traffic, I've got cars behind me. And then, when I get here, there's another speed bump. And that is where I was. And there's not even a drop curb there. Can't even get up on the pavement to go into B&M. So that is actually quite dangerous. And there's people on scooters. Hey, let's go into B&M and have a look. Not that I want to buy anything, but just thought it'd be nice to have a look round. Oh, how much is their coffee? Because they have the direct vat, which is 7 quid in Asda and Morrison's. £4 in here. So that's just come out of B&M, finished, and heading down towards Matalan. There are disabled base here. And home bargains. And look in this one. I can't remember what I come out to buy. So nice wide aisles in here. And if only I could remember what I wanted. So over there, KFC, and that is essentially the whole Spitfire Retail Park. And in case you're wondering, Spitfire Retail Park is aptly named. due to the fact that there was a Spitfire factory at one point. Well, now we have to negotiate back through in this crazy situation. Live traffic here. All because they can't be bothered to put a bloody drop curb. Going to try and get round this yellow post without getting killed. Thank you. And then you got these silly speed bump things. So there we go, that's Spitfire Retail Park. As you can see, it has a few minor issues for mobility, but otherwise a good range of shops and 2 fast food outlets. There's no toilets here, no public toilets, so if you want to go, you have to wait. So if you like this video, then please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Catch you again soon. Goodbye.